Hi, everybody. This is the first of three videos for week 4 for Introduction to Sociology. And in this video, I will be talking about this week's assignments. I want to let you know that the lecture quiz doesn't start until the next video, but you might want to go ahead and get it anyway. So, this week we have a response journal. We also have a discussion board. I had talked about possibly changing your discussion board groups, but I decided to leave them as they are, except for group 3, which ended up just dwindling down because people had dropped. So if you were a member of group 3, I've redistributed you to the other groups, and you have new groups. Everybody else stays the same. Just as a reminder, part 1 of all discussion board assignments are due on Thursdays. So all of the assignments in the course are now posted. So in weeks 4, 5, and 6, you can see all of the assignments except for the lectures and the lecture quizzes and of course the final exam. You might want to look ahead to the week 6 extended response journal, which is like a little paper. You can go ahead and read it now and get started on it if you like, so that you're ready by the last day of class, which is Thursday, July 26th. So the final exam study guide is now posted, and the final exam is held between Tuesday and Thursday because the last day of class is a Thursday. So it will open on Tuesday, July 24th at 12 p.m. noon, and it will stay open until Thursday, July 26th at 11:59 p.m. I wanted to talk a little bit about the midterm exam. The class did a really phenomenal job. I was very happy with the scores and with how well that you did. The average score was high, about 10 points higher than usual at 84%. I wanted to let you know that I regraded one question because once I looked at it, a number of people got this one wrong. And when that happens, then I think it has more to do with the question than the students. So I regraded the question that said, which type of research method is used in sociology when researchers are seeking in-depth meaning on their research topic? So the correct answer was interviews. So if you answered interviews, there is no change to your score. But I realized after I reread it that you could have answered content analysis or participant observation as well. So if you did so, I did give you the points for that question. If you answered surveys, I did not give you the points because that is just not right. So you guys did a great job on the midterm exam, and so here we are in the second half of the course, and so I wish you a great week. I will see you on the discussion board. Open up your next video and you will begin your lecture quiz then.